In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio on your Acer desktop, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select the system item on the left panel. And then on the right side, go down and select sound. And then again on the right side underneath mono, audio, combine left and right audio channels into one. Toggle this on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.